Hey family, this is Lentiena and Hochobes, the one and only gospel worshipper right here in Windhoek. I'm here at a gospel loading, just trying to bring or let you guys know about something that's coming on its way, something new, something fresh, something totally surprising. I can't wait to share with you guys what's been happening within this very day. So please keep me in prayers and remember that I love you and I'm here to serve you with what God has blessed me with.
Satsina orekaba kweb khatara mi badika dingomsake oreba kweb khatara khomba dika satsina orekaba ikonske ayesu ikonske ayesu Khatara khomba tikao satsina orekaba kwe ba oh kwe khatara khomba tikao satsina orekaba Kweb khajara kamba dikao kaiseka itimis kabetama aye umi yotama ke kuba man kugetu kare kamba dikao dara kweb kha